Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to watch Beast games for free in 2025. So quick one, open up your Google Chrome, and then in your Google Chrome you search for the following, search for Daily Nation Beast Games Free Watch, and then tap and then open up the website. So quickly I'll load up the website, and then I'll quickly scroll down over here. To leave that, just scroll down like this. Okay, so guys, once you scroll down, you see this website which is having the Daily Nation MrBeast gaming videos. So quickly just come and tap on that website. Okay, so once you tap on the website, you have to be patient until the website is done loading. So guys, as you can see, it's now done loading, and you can see a full list of Beast games over here that you can watch for free. So if you want, just come and click in any and then watch. Simple as it is. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.